We are going to understand the illusion of supremacy. This delusion is the root of human suffering and the cause of nearly every atrocity, injustice, and collapse we have brought upon ourselves. Strip away all the jargon, and you find a single, devastating psychological truth. The moment we decided one group or individual is inherently better than another, we embraced chaos. The myth of superiority is the architect's blueprint for the worst chapters of our history. Perceived supremacy justifies war and the illusion of borders, granting false moral authority to cross boundaries and claim what isn't ours. The result is centuries of bloodshed, millions of refugees, and a cycle of vengeance that never ends because superiority never admits fault. When this delusion turns inward within our own species, it creates the darkest chapters of human society. Arbitrary hierarchies of race and caste justified atrocities like transatlantic slavery. Patriarchy, the declaration of one gender as superior, robbed half the world's population of autonomy and voice for millennia. We must realize we are not masters of nature. We are part of it. The most devastating expression of supremacy is our relationship with Earth, believing we are masters, not a part of nature. This leads to mass deforestation, industrialized cruelty to animals, and climate collapse, poisoning our environment and, ultimately, ourselves. Every major crisis is a branch of the exact same root, the arrogant belief that I am above you, therefore I have the right to exploit you. This single belief fuels war, borders, slavery, patriarchy, and ecocide. Everything grows from this myth of superiority. The cure is radical humility. We need a revolution of the mind. On nationality, race, gender, and other species, we must recognize that difference is not inferiority. Other species are companion travelers, not resources. We built a pedestal above the world and have been falling ever since. Nothing changes until we realize we are not above the world. We are simply a part of it. It is time to dismantle this pedestal. The choice is before us. We can choose arrogance, which leads to collapse and high harm, or radical humility, which leads to survival through equity and kinship. The time to step down from the pedestal is now.